Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. For days now, Asari Dokubo has been tackling and coming against indigenous people of Biafra over so many things. And some hours ago, indigenous people of Biafra spokesperson Ima Powerful had given a specific message um, to Asari Dokubo. For some of us who did not know, I'll give a quick summary of what he told him. In summary, he told him that this whole thing began ever since he told Mazen Nnamdi Kanu that he wants to be the president when Biafra is actualized, of which Mazen Nnamdi Kanu told him that he should wait first, let Biafra be actualized before they start talking about presidency. According to him, powerful, that was the crux of the matter. Asari Dokubo have decided to respond to what they have told him, and in fact, he had said to even increase the tempo. I really do not understand what is going on. But before we go into the news proper to find out exactly what may likely go on and what Asari Dokubo have confirmed right now, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, according to the news, a former Niger Delta militant leader, Asari Dokubo, says he is not an associate of Biafra political activist Nnamdi Kanu, hence he could not have betrayed him. Please, which one is Biafra political activist? Let's continue with the news. Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has been detained at the headquarters of the Department of State Services (DSS) since June last year, following his rearrest in Kenya. Although both Biafra agitators, which is Kanu, that's Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, and Asari Dokubo, have had a rocky relationship, during one of his media coverages, Life One recently monitored, supporters of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu had thronged Dokubo's page to tackle him for severely criticizing their leader. Some of the commentators claimed Dokubo betrayed Kanu, but the activist responded thus, saying, Nnamdi Kanu is my enemy. Oh, I take that again. He said, Nnamdi Kanu is my enemy. How can I betray an enemy? I don't know how these people, that's the indigenous people of Biafra members, are using their English. What connects me and Nnamdi Kanu? We have been enemies for about 5 years now. Wow. I take that again. We have been enemies for about 5 years now, and over 5 years since the last Anambra election, which took place in 2017, we became enemies. We have reached an extent. Nnamdi Kanu was the first to threaten. He can threaten others, so he can go and kill others. But me, I will bring him down. I will smoke you out. So where does the betrayal come from? It is when I finally kill him, that's Nnamdi Kanu, that you will know that I have fulfilled my desire to bring this demon down. That is what is going to happen. Furthermore, Dokubo asked Igbo residents to bring down IPP members, saying, until they are all gone, Igbo land will not have peace. My God, how did it get to this level? I could still remember way beyond way beyond 2017. I could remember some of those videos posted by Asari Dokubo. He said something about himself, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, and some other Biafran agitators always coming to his house. According to Asari Dokubo, that they usually come down to his house, that they even paid him some specific amount of money. I can't remember if it's 20 million or 20,000, but it's a range of 20 now. It's been years anyway. He said something about being paid some stipends to train the IPOB members who are supposed to be the arm wing of the sovereign nation when it is actualized, of which, according to Asari Dokubo, say he brought them in. So at some point, they were not giving them food, they were not giving them shelter. That he housed these guys, fed them, and after a while, said they became bitter towards their leader. He said quite a lot, of which that early time, I think in 2018, no, 2019, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu just, answered him briefly on that matter, saying mentioned, in fact, that was where the financial misappropriation began. Nnamdi Kanu started explaining a lot of things that went transpired between them, the issue of financial misappropriation and all that. In fact, he talked at length. He talked about even the issue of looking at the accounting book. He now started trying to give account of lowdown of what he has spent, contribution. He mentioned the those who contributed in euro. He mentioned those who contributed in naira. He mentioned those who contributed in dollars, and he also mentioned the countries by country. Say hence the coordinate. In fact, they said quite a lot, of which Asari didn't let the matter that at some point Mazen Kanu just totally ignored him. Now, if you have checked some of the videos, sorry, we couldn't carry some of them. Some of the videos he made at the beginning, he opened up, said, okay, that he promised he was going to smoke Mazen Kanu out, which he did. But if you ask me, this one is just personal now. Both Asari Dokubo, the Wazurike Chief Raf Wazurike, the likes of Tony Nadi, the likes of Mazinam Kanu, they all began together. Began in the sense that they all had first thing that brought them into the picture has always been a case of the agitation. Okay, yes, I think exception is Asari Dokubo, who started from the creek. His own was quite different on the issue of Niger Delta, oil and gas, and all. Before he now, come into collaborate with the issue of agitation for Biafra. But the likes of Tony Nadi, the likes of Chief Raf Wazuriki, the likes of Mazen Kanu, all of them began this journey on the platform of agitation, on the platform of trying to get Biafra actualized for the people, whether political or not. Those were the frontiers or what they were fronting for the people, of which a lot of people bought the idea. But amongst them, it was Mazen Kanu that said, okay, let's not just talk about it, and let's see how we can raise funds to whatever that needs to be done. And hence the fundraising began. And along the line, there seemed to be fallouts. And some of them having their own reasons for falling out, some of them saying there was betrayal. But for Asari Dokubo, he has been, today he will tell you, okay, he will address, because don't forget he has a Biafran agitation group where he calls Biafra defect to government. And sometimes you see him, he addresses people, fellow Biafrans. Then as you still be the one to say, okay, go ahead, vote. Because in getting your vote, you have the political will of which you can now decide. You have political will. You decide who you want to become your leader. Then from there you can now get that which you have been asking for, rather than screaming marginalization and all whatnot. But right now, it looks like the cordial relationship they are having between IPOB, Asari Dokubo, and Nnamdi Kanu is totally trashed. I just hope that these are brothers, one way or the other. They should settle it amongst them amicably and move on. The region already is in their need of capable leaders. That's what we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our conversation. Please also take. Do have a nice time. Please know.